It's Chris O'Halloran from Takeoff Software. Today I just want to walk you through our Autocount feature. The way the Autocount works is it's going to look for symbols and it's going to automatically calculate and mark up every other like symbol. So to find the Autocount feature, you want to grab this new icon down here, just above the color selector. You select on that. What it's then going to ask you to do is to actually go and highlight or create a box around the icon you're looking to search for. So in this case, we're going to look for these light fittings. Straight away, we can see that all of those light fittings have now been selected and marked up on the drawing. You can see there's 32. Just a couple of things to be aware of. It's going to look for everything in the entire page. So if I come over here to the legend, it's also found these in the legend. So we can go ahead and just delete any of those individual items that we don't need. The other thing to be aware of is that it's going to look for the exact same icon that you highlighted. So if you're trying to measure an icon that's up against a line, you want to try and really just pay a little bit of attention to what you're marking up and just try and get just that icon. Because if you come over and actually capture that line, it's going to look for icons that are on a similar line. So we go and mark this up, you'll see now that the double GPOs, again, have all been found. It's not going to work in every case because you see here, these GPOs are on a slightly base of a thicker line, but we can go through and just capture those again, and then we should have most of the icons calculated. It's a really quick way of using some artificial intelligence to power through your takeoff and estimating. Thanks for watching.